Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Git and use Git in Visual Studio Code. It is a quick and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and search for Git download on Google. Hit enter, and from the results, click on the first result that leads you to git-scm.com, which is the official Git page. Once on that page, choose the version that matches your operating system, either Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. If you are running Windows, you will notice a few versions, 32-bit, 64-bit, and a thumb drive one. Now download the corresponding installer, usually 64-bit for the majority of computers. Once it finishes downloading, execute the file to initiate the installation. The installer will launch, and you simply need to keep clicking next on each step. You can change the installation directory if you want to, but the default directory is just fine. In my case, Git was already installed earlier, so you might notice some prompts that you won't notice. Just stick to the default settings, don't worry about modifying anything, and just keep clicking next until the setup begins installing Git. After installation is finished, you will likely receive an option to view release notes. Uncheck that and click finish. Now Git is installed on your system successfully. To check that it's active, press the Windows key, start typing Git, and you should be able to see Git Bash and Git GUI pop up. Git Bash is where you'll input your Git commands, and Git GUI is, if you prefer, working in a visual interface. Go ahead and try opening Git Bash. You should see a command line where you can enter something like git status. If you're not inside a Git repository, it will report an error, which is perfectly fine at this point. You can also take a look at Git GUI for a more click-and-pointer experience. It allows you to create, clone, or deal with repositories with minimal effort. Next, we will connect Git in Visual Studio Code. Open VS Code. I've already got a project loaded, and we're going to make sure Git is turned on within the editor. Go to the top menu, File, and choose Preferences, and then proceed to Settings. In the search box that appears, enter Git. Scroll through the options until you find the Git integration setting. If you have it in gray or not selected, select it. You might want to turn on a few other settings as well, but the most important thing is to get Git turned on. Once you've done that, close the Settings tab. On the left sidebar of VS Code, click on the source control icon. This is where Git comes alive in your project. You'll see a list of all the files you've modified. And just like that, you're set up to use Git with VS Code. No extra hassle, just smooth coding ahead. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.